Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you know how much your cat pees every single day? Thanks to these cat pads, I now have an idea of how much my cat pees and also if she's getting enough water because I can tell by the color of the urine on the pad if she's drinking enough. So those are just two of the benefits of using these Amazon Basics cat refill pads. Now I have the Breeze litter system and these fit perfectly into the little tray underneath the litter box. An average 8-pound cat should be peeing about 100 milliliters a day. So I've tested for you to see how much liquid these pads will actually hold. I poured 100 milliliters 7 times, so that would be about a week of your cat peeing on this pad. And as you can see, it holds it really well, no leaks, and very easy to take out and throw away. Another thing I really like about these pads is even though these are unscented, I'd never smell odor from my cat using them. I'm so impressed with how much these hold, the quality, and the value. And that's my point of view.